考考大家，可樂冇氣啦，用英文要點樣表達？大家會唔會直譯咗做 The cola has no air 或者 The cola has no bubbles？ 而去到外國餐廳，人哋問你要啲咩水啊？你想要普通嘅水就得，又會唔會直譯咗做 normal water 呢？咁樣表達當然係唔啱啦。大家好，我係同你一齊學英文嘅 Melody 啊。大家如果想知道點樣用英文正確而自然咁樣表達同嘢飲相關嘅詞彙，例如係可樂冇氣啊，喺餐廳叫水，或者係叫嘢飲嗰陣要叫小甜酒冰，要點樣講呢？就記住繼續睇今日嘅影片啦。Excuse me, may I get some help with my drink, please? Of course. How may I help you? Well, how to say it? The cola, it has no air. No air? You mean it's missing bubbles or carbonation? Oh, yes. There are no bubbles in it. Got it. So the cola's gone flat. Sorry about that. I'll bring you a new one right away. 如果話 the cola has no air， 就好似講緊汽水入邊冇空氣，咁呢句就唔係好 make sense 啦，因為汽水入邊嗰啲氣咧就唔係空氣，而係講緊啲碳酸。咁所以講汽水冇氣，正確又自然嘅英文表達係 The cola is flat. The cola is flat. I opened the can of cola, but it's flat. I opened the can of cola, but it's flat. 打開咗罐汽水，不過冇氣嘅。你亦都可以用 as flat as a pancake 去強調冇氣嘅程度，例如係 After being left open, the cola became as flat as a pancake. The cola became as flat as a pancake， 即係講緊咧個汽水擺咗喺度一陣之後啊，真係完全冇氣啊！順帶一提啦，爆胎嘅英文大家千祈唔好直譯做 The tire has exploded 啊！其實爆胎真係講緊條胎漏氣或者冇氣啦。呢個時候我哋都可以用 flat 去形容嘅喎。爆胎嘅英文係 flat tire。Flat tire. I got a flat tire on my way to work. I got a flat tire on my way to work. 講緊嘅就係返工揸車揸到一半，突然間爆胎添。Could you help me change the flat tire? Could you help me change the flat tire? 可唔可以幫我換咗個漏氣嘅胎啊？同埋大家唔好睇 flat 呢個字好似咁簡單啊，其實除咗用嚟形容汽水冇氣啦，或者爆胎之外咧，佢仲可以用嚟表達一樣嘢失去咗原本嘅強度或者效果。例如你可以講 The party fell flat after the music stopped. The party fell flat after the music stopped. 音樂一停咧，個派對啊即刻冇晒氣氛啊。Her voice sounded flat and lacked emotion. Her voice sounded flat.意思咧就係佢把聲聽落好似死氣沉沉，冇乜生氣咁嘅，咁好似冇乜情感啊。俾多個例子大家 The joke fell flat with the audience. The joke fell flat with the audience. 咁就唔係講緊個笑話平咗，而係講緊咧可能台上嘅演出者講咗個笑話，台下嘅觀眾都冇乜反應喎。呢個時候咧你就可以用 fell flat 嚟形容啦。Good evening. Would you like still or sparkling water?I would just have normal water, please. Normal water? Do you mean still water? Oh, I'm not sure. Is sparkling water better? Well, it really depends on your preference. Sparkling water is carbonated, so it's bubbly, while still water has no bubbles. I think I will try the sparkling water then. It sounds interesting.大家如果去過外國嘅餐廳食飯，咁快餐店除外啦，咁都會知道咧，多數一坐落嚟，侍應就會問你 Would you like still or sparkling water？ 嗱，聽到呢句嗰陣注意啦，就唔似香港或者亞洲嘅餐廳啲水係免費嘅，外國餐廳啲水多數都係收錢，而收錢嘅水咧又有分有氣同埋冇氣兩種嘅。Sparkle 係指液體入邊嘅氣泡，所以 sparkling water 咧就係有氣嘅水。而 still 咧解靜止的，靜止嘅水即係冇氣水啦。咁簡單啲嚟講咧，就係比較似我哋平時飲到嗰種正常嘅水啦。所以喺外國，如果想飲啲所謂正常冇氣嘅嗰種水咧，記住要講 still water，而唔係 normal water，因為係冇 normal water 嘅呢個講法㗎。 咁至於你話我想要免費嘅水得唔得呢？咁就要視乎國家而定啦。咁好多外國國家呢，佢嘅水喉水都係安全可以直接飲嘅。咁呢個時候你就可以問侍應拎 tap water。咁順帶一提啦，我發現喺外國叫熱水或者暖水咧係一件幾困難嘅事啊！佢哋多數都係冇準備好啦，就算肯提供俾你咧，你都要俾啲時間佢哋煲水啦。因為好似佢哋會覺得咧飲凍水先係正常啦，多數係啲病咗嘅人咧先要飲熱水。咁提提大家啦，如果你想要啲即刻飲到嘅暖水咧，就要注明係 warm water 而唔係 hot water，因為 hot water 咧係講緊滾燙嘅水啦，咁啲好滾嘅水你好難即刻飲到噶嘛。呢個時候就要叫佢俾 warm water 暖水。Hi, what would you like to order? Can I get a bubble milk tea, please? Sure, hot or iced? I'd like to go easy on the ice. How much sugar would you like? Half sugar would be nice. Do you want to add any other toppings to your drink? I'd like to get some grass jelly too. No problem. That's $7 in total. 講到叫嘢飲啦，當然唔少得好多人嘅至愛就係珍珠奶茶啦。咁我都唔例外啊！叫珍珠奶茶好多時候我哋都要調整個甜度同埋冰量㗎。如果唔係杯嘢就會甜到爆啦，跟住有好多冰。唔同甜度嘅英文分別係 full sugar 或者 regular sugar 就係全糖啦，少糖少甜嘅 less sugar， 半糖 half sugar， 微糖 light sugar 或者係 quarter sugar， 咁 quarter 就係四分一嘅意思啦，而無糖就係 sugar free 或者係 no sugar。咁形容冰量同甜度都差唔多，將個 sugar 變做 ice 就可以啦。正常冰量 regular ice， 小冰 less ice， 或者有第二個常見嘅講法就係 go easy on the ice。go easy on the ice 都係小冰嘅意思啦。跟住微冰量嘅 light ice， 跟住走冰就係 no ice 或者係 ice free。想叫一杯珍珠奶茶少甜少冰，英文就係 I'd like to get a bubble milk tea with less sugar and less ice please。而我自己最常嗌嘅組合就係半糖走冰啦，咁英文就係 I'd like to get a bubble milk tea with half sugar and no ice please。除咗珍珠之外，大家有時都會忍唔住加其他配料，就係 toppings 嘅。珍珠奶茶嘅英文就係 bubble milk tea 啦。咁除咗bubble 之外咧，其實珍珠另外一個常見叫法就係 tapioca balls。tapioca 咧就係木薯澱粉啊，咁亦都係珍珠嘅原材料。其他常見嘅配料仲有 grass jelly 仙草、coconut jelly 椰果、taro balls 我自己都好中意食嘅 taro balls 就係芋圓啦。咁仲有一個健康少少嘅就係蒟蒻或者寒天，英文就係 konjac jelly。講下咧，都好想叫翻杯珍珠奶茶嚟飲啊！其實除咗啲咁生活化嘅分享之外，如果大家有應試需要，我都有推出自己嘅 DSE 同埋 IELTS 精讀課程。務求就係用最短嘅時間咧，教大家最多嘅考試 skills 啦，話晒俾你聽試題嘅陷阱喺邊度，用啲乜嘢公式化嘅高分模板咧，就可以幫你慳時間升 grade 嘅。大家如果有需要咧，都歡迎下載翻個免費 sample 先啦。咁所有課程嘅第一章節咧，都係免費試讀嘅喎。如果你係第一次睇我嘅 channel， 我嘅 channel 主要係分享 DSE 同埋 IELTS 嘅讀書心得、考試技巧。有時會分享英文小知識，或者就咁坐喺度同大家傾下偈、拍下 vlog。唔想錯過我之後分享嘅精彩內容，就記住訂閱我個 channel， 開埋隔離個鐘仔，亦都歡迎大家 follow 翻我嘅兩個 Instagram 啊！好啦，今日嘅分享就嚟到呢度，我都要去叫翻杯外賣珍珠奶茶啦。I'm Melody and thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!